This is what our finished project looks like, and it is made out of paper cutouts.
What do you call
paper cutouts?
What do you call your project?
My project is a bird. It has colors cut out, and there's one blue paper beak. So these are the body parts that the bird has: eye, head, feather, wings, tail, leg, claws, beak. The beak is for the bird to eat food only. They use only the beak to eat their food, like worms. You know, birds eat worms with their beak. So next up, claws. Last one. Birds use their claws to catch food from the ground or in the air. Thank you.